Hi. Welcome to PDF.co. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to use files from OneDrive in PDF.co and Zapier. Let's start. We're going to use this sample file inside OneDrive for this tutorial. Let's proceed with creating a Zap. For the trigger, search and select OneDrive from the list of apps. Then, choose New File as the trigger event. After that, select or connect your OneDrive account. Then, choose the folder where your file is located. Once you're done setting up the trigger, you may now test it. Now that you're done with the trigger, time to set up the action. Search and select PDF.co from the list of apps. Then, select PDF Filler as the action event. After that, select or connect your PDF.co account. Time to set up the action. For the source PDF, choose File from the OneDrive trigger. For the text objects, add the text that you want to add using this format. X coordinates, semicolon, Y coordinates, semicolon, page, semicolon, text, semicolon, font size, semicolon, font name. You may also change the name of your output PDF. Then, click Continue. Once you're done setting up the action, you may now test it. After testing your action successfully, you will be given a temporary URL where you can view and download the output PDF. Here's the output PDF for this tutorial. That's it for this tutorial. We have a lot of tutorials that you can check on our YouTube channel or on our website. Thanks for watching.